How's it going, everyone? This is cryptoFOXXY. Hope you're having an amazing day. Today, I want to talk to you a bit about Bitcoin and three reasons why the bull move might not be over yet for Bitcoin. Before we get into it, though, I'm testing some new lighting. Let me know if you think it looks a little bit better. Hopefully, it does. I'm always trying to improve my studio setup or whatever, and just kind of get ready for when things eventually turn up for cryptocurrency, and hopefully, I'll get some more subscribers rolling in. But please remember to subscribe, smash the like button, and let's get into our video here. All right, so I'm going to let you know about three reasons why Bitcoin might not be done yet with the bullish momentum. So, the bullish momentum that has propelled Bitcoin price to a year-to-date high continues into its third week as the price presses towards the $35,000 handle. The forming of a cross between the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average on the daily time frame is one thing to note. Liquidity maps from Deakin Trader and King Fisher highlighting the potential for a short squeeze between the 36.3 and the $40,000 range if Bitcoin price manages to blitz the 36.3 level. Options market data is highlighting a shift in investor sentiment and positioning as well. So further price upside could be in store and suggests a potential extension of last week's gamma event, uh, culminating with Bitcoin price rallying to 35,280. So the data also shows the possibility for a gamma event in the $35,000 range to the $40,000 range, and investor positioning has shifted accordingly. So in the past week, daily option volume across the derivatives market has surged. So it has led podcast host Curry to say Paradigm has its best day ever by 70% in terms of volume. That is massive. So Kelly Greer is head of America sales at Galaxy, and Greer has this to say: an uptick. I'm going to just to give you the highlights, or whatever. An uptick month over month from Q3 to Q4. Interest in the calls that we have been highlighting. We've seen interest in upside now that volume is higher and call skews are a little elevated. Seeing those strikes roll out, so that peak gamma at the time when we discussed in this early October was around 32,000, and now it's around 36 to 40,000. So, from the perspective of technical analysis, traders are eyeballing the bull pennant pattern, which has formed in the daily time frame, along with the birth of the golden cross. And we can see here where it's going to cross here. So, move to be on the watch for is whether or not a price move throughout the 36.3 level leads to an escalating pressure on shorts. So, if this triggers a rapid uptick in spot buying volumes, as options and perpetual future traders are forced to cover their positions or face liquidation. Um, so, it's essentially we would see aggregated short liquidation surge as spot volumes peak, a process that is documented in the chart here below. I'm not going to go through all this. Some of this might not make sense to most people. The Bitcoin gamma squeeze from last week could happen again if Bitcoin moves higher, 35,750 to 36K. Options dealers would need to buy 20 million in spot Bitcoin for every 1% upside move, which could cause explosiveness if we begin to move upwards at those levels. So we can see here, so this is what short gamma kind of means. When dealers are short gamma and price moves up, or where they are long gamma and price moves down, and they need to buy spot to stay delta neutral. Last week, expiries will dampen potential explosiveness, but it is still in play. So we can see there. So that is what is going on right now for Bitcoin. So there's still massive, massive amounts of upswing could potentially roll in, depending on how basically how this week looks, because we do have some things coming up this week that is going to determine, if the financial markets decide to, go bullish, bearish, whatever. We have jobs reports coming out. We have or unemployment rates actually. We also have interest rate hikes potentially for the U.S. and the U.K. Although I am hearing that they might not hike. So possibly another pause might come into play. So we'll keep tabs on that for you guys and let you guys know what's going on. And thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.